Hey, what is going on, legends? This is Rowan from OptimizeFX, and welcome to another weekly review of the $1,000 FXTM Broker Challenge. First up, we have the current state of the OptimizeFX YouTube channel, and I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who has subscribed lately, and to anyone that is new. I just want to give my thanks to you. And we are approaching, we're two off 700 subscribers, and this is done with in a year's time. I'm absolutely blown away, so thank you so much for the support, and I'll keep bringing out awesome videos to you all. So with that said, we have an update on all the robots, plus I've got two new robots which I'll reveal later on in the video, so stick around and we'll get to them soon. But what I was thinking was FX Blue is pretty good, but if you've ever used it for a portfolio, it is a bit annoying to try and add and remove robots and change names and things like that. And that's where my FX book is a lot easier for me anyway. When adding and removing, you can just create a portfolio and then you can add or remove and rename quite easily. But with FX Blue, it's a little bit trickier because you've got to remember what robot, which one of these 10 here or 9 was the index, and the index is the one that has a portfolio in it. Now I don't remember which one that is. So that means I've got to go through each single one, log into each single one through FX Blue to find out which one that is, and then remember it for later. Then I can add and remove EAs to this portfolio, and London Pride isn't even on here anymore, and for some reason it's recording 5,000 for equity when there is no account there anyway. I can't even log into my FXTM account for that, so I couldn't even delete it. So I don't know what's happened there. It's a bit of a glitch. But anyway, so what I might do is I might actually go to my FX book and try and load them all in, and I'll see how hard it would be for me to make it public. So I'm going to have a crack. But I also thought, well, there's only two websites that offer this kind of thing, and I thought, well, in my downtime, which I have so much of, which is not really, why don't I build something similar to my FX book and FX Blue that allows you to make a portfolio and maybe import trading history, and it can kind of figure out what's all the stats. Anyway, it's just an idea. I'm sure it'd take more than one person to build something like that, though, because that would be pretty involved. It might take a few years for one person anyway, in amongst work and family and all that kind of other stuff called life. But anyway, let's get into the updates on this video. So first of all, we'll start at FX Stabilizer, which is trading EURUSD at 0.1 lots. It started at 10k, and we're now sitting at $13,538. And for the week, we made $205.07. And right now, it is up $12.88. So that is pretty cool. It's got a couple of orders there. Oh, it's got one order, a buy order, that is in profit, and I think it's going to profit $33 when it does take profit up there. This is the other one that it's set, that is the buy limit, and it hasn't triggered it, so but we'll see what happens next week. But yeah, we've got this is obviously not today, this was on Friday, so $97 on Friday. Day before maybe nothing, and then the 28th was $76. So yeah, but for the week 205 is pretty good. For the month, this is the last month, $673, and for the year $3,271. So FX Stabilizer has been going quite well. Next off, we have probably the star of the show, I would say. Goldnix has just been absolutely killing it on 0.1 lots with gold, and it handled this recent dump really well. It made $351 on that day, which is the highest return day. Obviously it had a lot more orders. There's a bit of volatility on Friday where it went up and down quite a lot, and yeah, I'm zoomed right out here, so but we can't see, what is it, the 30th? Can't see the whole day here. Oh, there we go, there's the down up bit, and then we're coming back down here. So actually I can show you. I'll go H1 because we're not live. So yeah, that's pretty much where it is, up and down here. I'm zoomed right out, so maybe M15 might be better. Here we go, here you see. So 30th, sorry, the 28th to 30th, we had this big move up because it was really bad news for I think the USD 2 days in a row. So it traded gold all the way up and didn't trade this little bit here, which I found interesting, even though this laptop had no issues this week. And then it traded all the way down here. So it seems like GoldenX does not trade ranging markets. It just trades more volatile ones. So we can see here, evidently, it likes trading the big moves. So I found that quite interesting. So yeah, but look at this. For the week, 822. For the month, it made $3,598. So it's come right back. I've left it on 0.1 lots. I think, you know, if it's going to do $800 a week, I think in a couple of weeks, or maybe 3 weeks, it would probably hit 10k from 1,000. And I think from when you hit 10k, you could probably go to 0.2 lots. I think I went a bit too hard too early when it blew. Well, not blew, but when we almost blew the account last time. So this is just trading gold. But for some reason, I haven't been able to replicate this on a live account. So what I might do, just for fun, is get 2 cent accounts with FXTM and load them both up with 1,000 cents, or $1,000, which is only $10 for me, and run them both live and see if there's any difference between the demo and the real account in the cent. And I'm going to do that as separate videos, so we can do that test with GoldenX. So if you're interested in that, comment down below and I'll get it started. But I'm just going to get it started anyway. But let me know what you think about the difference between demo and real accounts. Do you think there is a difference? And do you think that maybe the brokers try and entice you with really good demo account results to get you to put your money into their broker? You know, what are your thoughts on that? Because for some reason I can get really good results on a demo account, but when I want to go live, I don't quite get the same. It could be just bad luck, or it could be just the fact that I just don't have you know, the equity to play with like I do with these demo accounts. So I thought, well, I can do it with a cent account, but the only difference is the spread, and the spread is quite high on a cent account. So I'm not sure how that would affect how GoldenX trades, because yeah, we're only trading the 1 minute time frame, and I don't think it has a spread. No, it doesn't. It doesn't have a spread filter. So yeah, I'm not sure. But I do know that if you trade the M5 time frame, there's a lot less trades, but it can handle a lot more volatility. So you can have a smaller account. But there you go. But anyway, that's my yarn on GoldenX CA. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. GoldenX, if you didn't know, is Life Changer, or vice versa. I think Life Changer came first. GoldenX is just renamed. So you can see down here it just says Life Changer EA. They didn't even bother doing anything there. apart from just changing the name here to Goldnix EA version 1.0. And this one just says lifechangerEA.com. I actually don't know if that goes anywhere, so it doesn't seem to. Didn't open up my browser. So yeah, let's go to the next one, which is EA Oro Hedge. Another fairly interesting EA. So it has been going quite well. I've been trading EURUSD and gold. I added EURUSD a few weeks ago, but it has been trading EURUSD on 0.1 lots rather than 0.01 lots with gold. So, but it has done really well this week. So $893, and for some reason it doesn't have anything yesterday, but today it made 382, which must be, yeah, it's quite interesting. But I literally restarted the computer and closed all the terminals, reopened them, and all this information is all zeroed out. So I had to reload the trade info on every single terminal just to get it to show some values here for you guys. But we can see here $893 for the week, and for the month $17.92 for the year. Well, it says 315 because I think I put an extra. Yeah, I don't know what the go is with that. 315. Anyway, so daily 0.1%, monthly 3.37. I don't think that's correct because it's killing it. But anyway, that is Oro Hedge. I don't think I've really changed anything here too much other than the lot multiplier and the lot 0.0. It's starting from 0.03 lots now. In profit 5, yeah. But it is one that I'm interested in, you know, playing around with this other settings. So, just stay tuned. FX Scalper X, it's all green this week. So, but we're down $148, and by the week it made 75. For the month it made 222. So yeah, down 148 at the moment. Just trading all of these pairs. EURUSD seems to be, and GU. Oh, and yeah, USD CHF just dumped. So yeah, there's a bit of drawdown happening, but you know that is to be expected when you're trading robots. Just got to make sure that drawdown is in control. Promax EA, Promax Gold or Promax EA, small trades. Let's have a look here. So this has done $115 since it started, and it is making not much every day, like $2, $3, $1, $5 for the week, $12 for the month. It made 72 since it started. I think it's been going for 2 to 3 weeks now, and yeah, it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with those results. I haven't seen any major drawdown yet, so that is really good to see. R-Factor has been trading and has, you know, it's had a couple of lost days this week. For the week it's in profit though. It's $4.21. For the month 33, and for the year 180. So hasn't made a whole heap, to be honest. It does have a lot of trades. There are a lot of sell limit or buy limits. So basically it picks an area that it wants to trade, places a whole heap. If they get triggered, it will get in and out really quickly and scouts the market essentially. I think that's how it works. And we have finally one of the new robots that I have just put on here. It was recommended in the Telegram channel, and we have Leprechaun version 2.0. It is Russian, and that is why these characters are not coming up correctly, because it didn't get translated. So I'm not sure what any of this means. but I've got 10k in the account here, and we're going to see how it goes. Well, 10,099 because I couldn't round it up, but anyway, I'll round it down. So we're starting a little bit more than we need, but yeah, that's pretty much it. I can't understand any of this either, except for money management, magic, divider, and that is about it. But there is a leprechaun on the MQL5, and that is a newer version of this, but I'm sure I can get some of this understanded from there. So we'll let that run from tomorrow, and we'll see how it goes. Pinpoint EA only did one trade last week, and there's not really much to really say. Let's just see M15 chart, and the trade was by 10 Euro USD. I did up the lot size to 0.1 because it doesn't do too much for some reason. Yeah. Doesn't trade very often, so and when it does trade, it usually wins. So I thought I'd up the lot size to 0.1 lots, and we'll see how it goes. And yeah, so it's done $27 for the month and $5.33 for the week, and that is it. And Ranger, which is the same author, has done much better than Pinpoint. So it's done $25 this week and $107 for the month, and daily 0.29%, monthly 8.87%, which is really good, really. If you think about that, 8.87% per month is a pretty good return. It's much better than a bank, that's for sure. And the risk is really low with Ranger, so that's what I really like about it. And a very last one that was recommended to me to use was Alpha GI. This one it loads up a whole heap of M15 charts that you want it to trade, and we'll see how it goes. I'm starting it on $1,000, and we have these are the settings if you wanted to have a look. But yeah, so that we'll see how it runs. I have used it in the past, but I haven't done a proper forward test, so this will be interesting to see how it goes. And that is pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of when my videos drop, which is usually at the end of the week on a Sunday night for me, which is in Australia. I'm up late, almost 10:30 here on a Sunday night. And yeah, if there's any new robots that you'd like me to have a look at or do reviews on, let me know in the comments down below. And everyone's support is always awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.